2018 Mercedes, what is this? CLA250, 18 or 19. Front brakes. If you can see here, right between here, this is the brake pad right there, and the thickness in between, that's considered the meat, close to the rotor. You can see this is the metal, that's the meat, and this was pretty thick. It's good 50%, maybe 60%. And that's the back. Now the front one, sorry if it's upside down, and the front ones, you can see the difference. That thing's real close, right? That thing is done. 10%. It ain't at zero. It ain't scraping, but maybe the other side is. So, let's see what we got today. Try to replace these things in under 10 minutes. That tires up. Just pads, not doing rotors. I'll inspect them, but not doing that. I broke those loose. Some little DeWalt's. Zip them right on off. Cool. So on here, as you can see, different view. See how close those things? Oh, look at that. Now that right there on the brake pads, the inner pad, that's melted metal. This rotor is done, guaranteed. Yeah. So looks like we got a 12mm bolt. Wow. So let's tie it back. Set that thing up. Actually, it's not a 12. Sorry, it's 13. 13mm socket. Go here. This one got a lot of space. Force that caliper back. I do that. Then I get in between the old pad and the rotor. See that piston going in. All the way. Oh yeah, look at that brake pad. That thing is metal. Customers just want pads. That's what they're gonna get. I definitely advise you, if this is your car, to replace the rotors at the same time. Don't just on something this bad, don't just do the pads. You know what I'm saying? You have to hold the inside of the bolt or the nut. It does move. Okay, looks like this one, I either could have flipped it down, but this one here looks like it gotta have to do the whole thing. Sometimes you can just flip it up from the bottom or from the top, but the way this brake line is connected, it's not gonna allow me to show. We just gonna take that off. Look at that pad. Look at that brake pad. Wowzers. Now look at the inside of that rotor. Oh yeah. I don't know if it cleared up, but that thing is done. Done. Camera got too hot. Sorry. It's off my phone, but yeah. Should keep the thing out of the sun. This is what we got here. Look at that. Look at the thickness. See the difference? That's crazy. Phew. Don't be this person. But anyway, I recommend either replacing the rotors at this point. There is a minimum thickness. You can have them checked before replacing them because you could have them resurfaced or turned, they should say. And go from there. You see, well, just make sure it's the exact same size. I wonder why this doesn't have any shims on here. Do I come with shims? That's not. Comes with this little lube. So you don't have to buy that $1 lube. Don't spend that extra $1. Most of their brakes come with it. This is the Elite package. It's pretty much just the metal parts I lube up. The contact parts between the two mating surfaces, like here and here, because it actually, and then I'll do like the back for the caliper and the front side for the caliper, just where it mates, and it'll stop some of the friction. But definitely need to do some with these rotors, and I think these are wrong unless they're different front and back. Let's see, take off this front pad. Look at that, that was almost gone. Survived. Okay, so there we go. There's no difference. Just a little clip that I wasn't pushing in. Acting like a rookie. But I haven't done one of these cars just yet though. It's just my first one on 2018. So you're gonna push that clip in. You see, it's like a wear indicator, they call it. Take this back out. Kind of go in sideways. You can see the difference now between the two mating surfaces. Look at that. Look at that. Hope that caliper's pushed back enough. Let's see if we can get this back in real quick. Oh, yeah, perfect. The other side is the exact same thing. No difference. Shit, little boat. Don't lose your nuts and bolts. Thanks for watching.